Kesenjuk kinongnya kali sarkar ke bekentup apa kalama jangka Meghalaya Government Driver Welfare Association MGDWA hak hinyau tarik unok pra arja arpsa kalarak hiu buram ya kejingken jo sunpost nam kesenjuk dak bepen kop buram ya kinongnya kali sarkar bala syongtan bat kejing pelat pat ya kakot souvenir jangka kesenjuk ke bala penlong ha ususu tam auditorium. Hakani kesengi la pensyong syet ru ya ke program da kijing ruai, kijing syat, ke drama lingkot na ke kenhon ki jelau dokter, bat khadu bandon kijing ot kiek dau bas nyau bahalang dhar usembut menteri rangba ke jelau ubadai pej ru ya ke tenat transport ubra long kom kongsan uba Donald P. Walang IAS Chief Secretary jong sarkar jela kom usembut kongsan bat ke kong Rosetta Mary Kurba IAS Deputy Commissioner ke East Khasi Hills ki officer ke sarkar jela bat kumju ke kenhon ki nongnya kali na ke than cetai lammi ngi kari India nalor kiwe de.
Driver Association Yakala itu daga sorga Astengka kendai nyo Meghalaya Government Drivers Welfare Association Raja Keteng Dajing Tracy Tong Ilong Shua Keteng Sanam Hadang Bintang
Uba Donald P. Walang habakran ulaang baki nongnya kali kidon ke benta ke bakrau haka let kawan nadu ke jing ngau khia ya kakam ke jing yai ne ke jing tibet bat ke jing ngau lam khnang bakin la ban ai ke jing syakri ke bajanai bat ke babha haba ben rap ulaang bau nongnya kali babha dai tang nongnya kali henrei udai ru unong sharai uban ai jing yada da ka mon ngau bha.
Today as we got to celebrate this conclusion of the Golden Jubilee celebrations of the association, we pay homage not only to the years of service and dedication, but also to the invaluable contributions made by our drivers to the state of Meghalaya. For half a century, the role of a driver has transcended mere transportation. It has become an integral part of our community, reflecting responsibility, resilience, and commitment. A good driver understands the weight of their responsibility. Kajing kit clear, kadang kabudan kam do, ya ki drivers baro, por bikile ya ki duty. Finally, a good driver must have empathy, understanding the needs and concerns of the officer or the staff that you're driving for creates a rapport that enhances the overall experience. An empathetic driver listens, reassures, and provides comfort, making each journey just not a mere trip, but a memorable experience. In closing, I would like to share this thought. A good driver is not just someone who drives well. They are guardians of the road, steward of safety, and a bridge between people. Let us embrace all these qualities as we move forward, ensuring that the legacy of the association continues to thrive for another 50 years and beyond. My congratulations to all the members of the association. My congratulations to all the office bearers of the association, and also to all those pioneers who initiated and started this association more than 50 years back. Many of them may not be with us anymore now, but the legacy remains. Thank you all for your service.
Pela syaro tu dukan salas la thai ban klien tang badi sha manga nong interview ru te bawan amwan ne hadu katar bawan la thai sabana ngalo rong bungkam kalo biji te kenyawan
Sir.
Oh yes.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, come in.
Sir.
Yeah. Take a seat. Hey.
Yes, sir?
I'm not telling you to take your seat. I'm telling you to sit. Seat.
Sit.
Yes. Sit in that chair.
Sit in that chair. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So, what is your name, man? Please introduce me.
My name is Jalal, sir. Jalal.
So, introduce yourself.
Introduce myself. Wait, sir. Wait, sir. Sir, this is me. This is my wife. She's beautiful, no, sir? And this what? My son. Like father, like son. Same, no different. No, sorry.
I'm not telling you to introduce you by showing the photos of your family.
Oh, sorry, my bad.
Okay, just tell me, what are you doing now?
I'm sitting with you, sir.
This man. I'm asking you, what are you doing every day, like daily?
Every day.
Yes.
Ni, dah siap ki om nong tu pare. Basket. Oh sir, every day. Basket in the road, basket in the jungle, in the river, everywhere.
Oh, you can't go to the story. Okay. So, do you have any driving license?
Driving license? Yes sir. Why not?
Where did you get your license?
From license, from what is that? Sir? BDO.
BDO? Since when's BDO start giving license?
Oh, not BDO, sir. Start from DDT. No.
DTO.
DTO, yes, sir. Correct.
Okay. So you just got your license just like that, or you have any driving test?
A test, sir. Yes, I did test, sir.
So what kind of test?
Blood test, scanning, an X-ray. Oh no, X-ray I didn't do it, sir, because I'm scared of machine. That's it.
This man really pissed my day off. Okay, so let's move on to the question, okay?
Yes, sir.
So, what's your name again?
Jelas.
Jalal. Okay. So, Pak Jalal. So one thing, okay. So while driving a car, suddenly you saw an old woman and a cow. What will you hit?
Old woman and cow.
Yes.
Let me think about it, sir. Kata man, ibu setengah nusmi apa? Masih kemerat. Erang sendiri beliau apa? I'll hit a cow, sir.
Why? What nonsense you are talking? You are driving a car.
Not nonsense, sir. It's 6 cents.
You are driving a car.
Yes.
Okay. Not driving a car by hitting animals and humans. Okay. You have to hit the brake, not animal.
Oh, the brake, yeah. Mamma mia, I'm joking. Agenda Laura.
This man.
What do you think, sir? I'm a fool. Obviously, I'll hit the brake. Yes.
Okay, we'll come up to the next question.
Okay, sir.
Suppose, listen very carefully, okay? Suppose your work starts at 9 a.m. in the morning, but you reach at 9:30 because of traffic jam. So, in the next day, what will you do
Work start at
to reach on
9
time?
and I reach 9:30.
Yes.
Double signal overtake. That is solution, sir.
I'm really tired of this. Jalal. Since his name is Jalal, silence is better, I think.
What happened, sir? Why you?
Okay, leave it.
Uba snyau bahalang dhar ulaong. Baki nong nyak kali kim day tang ki nong nyak kali hendrai ki day ukhli du ha ka surak namar lada ubakla ka jing em jong ki ofisaru ka ap ya ka jing ma. Ulapan kan maru baha ka jing tray kam sarkar ni ki kam shimet ru ki don bon ki cap baka kam driver ka don shibon ki jing e. Kum ta ula ai ka jing ro ya ki nong nyak kali ki bala syakri hok ya ki ofisar sarkar hadu mentah.
The driver associations of Meghalaya, especially, I'm telling you very, very much. You really appreciate the founder who is founder of these associations, and this is the way how we should work. Kajing burung kalian, kajing wan hak duty, teragi kam baik jom pimdon bagi ipelat, ni politician bagi ipelat berofficer become higher status. Teng iba pli tang kerja kami obam, teng irobon kami abam berdi titik ya pihim kan mau. Sorry for that. Teng mapuli kimi nyo baje Mr. Kila ya bu program badi kimi ku naman pra baje khar baje mir ki po ki snim sing si semro. Tanakata teng Mr. ki wani akademi ngi kila de thangyong ka kmat taki nut bani thu bangi snim na kadaw to phi. Driver is very, very patient, and the beauty is that you always guided us. And you never tell us your problem. That is the beauty of a driver. Sometimes bapli kithia spok kali indon cakap tiak mas teng gibam RCNCC, tenten di obang tu CNCC royoi. You see, but you never say, I am not going to perform my duty. And you always protect us. Ki driver kim jo thap ya kano kim sotunat berukan rajoki. That is the beauty of a driver, especially government driver. The pilap lay little bit beyond it now. The pilap lay driver jonga, si pang la strike, si pang la pamper kutu lop, si pang nim tre sonde ni laki kelo. But the government driver is behaving in such a manner, we are appreciated you. Hana yang sohon mengalaktif begitu kejimang jompi, what is your performance? Umdai tang katakan nam association. Ngade nomor 2 state of Meghalaya. Ubaya kidang kerta kendai senang kerta. Kadero hang jo kapor. Ngade we ni berubah associate beber driver. Captain driver is my favorite words. Ngadon tang driver rajan we akliha company juga lights pak kedai berangu. Kedai kata kada masya timro katahi, ngasa ero katahi. Handai mentah kesipat ngadap songkuman hidup kata bagi driver jauhi beli. Kikan mau kerteng juga menokum cipuga jogi kublai sigon. Ngai kublai barok kebenaran ni ngamjir kerteng show. Nama kasih di depon loblas dan lepa. Ngai kublai itu samlaju barwai pasonton nak pakasur. And that is the reason people call us the Shillong is the city of joy and the city of music. Khamtam ba jalau dokter ngapai makan dari YouTube tahu ibu tamu tangan mai kublai isi bet. Ngarane way ni berubah itu bener ki. Ngasuh kajir ki kada wai ba. Dai ne. Tengah dia berubah komik ba. Lalu kacau bentar jonga. Tak komik itu jadi isu. I'm very interested. Mending amur kita ketin ditayar lagi poin ni asli belak temen sudah ada kita samlaman yang ngaruh. And that is the beauty of government servants. Dang song thai dang samla. In ai kejingu yu brave in implement show walaupun nang mania kali suruh tapi he tang ketin utrangi yo jimun ba. Ngasuh tu dan katukan lagi pen di poin di background choose kata dengan balker dengan repeat show and which is exactly meant for the drivers. Ki driver jongi don bentar ki ajimun ingi kum ki politicians try ka officer kum cuhi. Piti kerja aku don ki driver ke kam chalak. Ki jong me bania kali boni politician nong rotu emeli bakam napa yo. Tarai kata kalau air ki bahan makin lagna jelade. Don ki obat ani bertau minister usbun demi apa lah. Ki kuat kali akli hauta bagi pensoyo tu berlepas. Don driver ki bang tu officer salong pelat memlong. And that is one of the message that we can change in our life as an officer. Tian piong donu ameliu basarong, donu ameliu babha, donu ameliu babha tang keting ngakam donai You see, sometimes we learn from your appreciations. Sometimes you change us. I'm very appreciate. Who is the close friends of a politicians? Either the officer is the driver, according to me. Kadai ki bong ikong mene di si jongi. Kamtam lay ni jo la pan identify driver bos yu ni babani kun jongi. Ikana ikam tip ba kajing long jongi driver. Bangi lay ni tir marble pi burom pala dengi. Tip ko bahag basuro ba yasar dengi.
Secretary Philip Primus Nongxiang. They went to the district sports office from Samuel Longley, Leroy Singh. Next we have Mr. Titan D. Shirak. And from the DC, Mr. Will. Iba Tri Nataliba Lambo Mothara. Here, Gino Associate President. Arunachal Pradesh.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la ikan diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bhag ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.